Rider Cam POV, here we go. Oh, hey. Oh, we're tipping forward now. Yeah. Rider, rider. Yeah. Rider Kim, baby. Wow, it's high now. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeehaw! Woo! Oh, here we go! Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh, jeez! Oh my God! Oh! Wow! Wow! Woohoo! Oh, that is amazing! Oh! Oh yeah, we're going again! Yeah? Oh my God! Well, that's just so close to the roof, guys. Oh! Oh! Oh, it feels so weird on the stomach when it does that. Oh! Are we going over again? I don't know. It doesn't feel like it. Wow, look, we got 3 runs, 3 flips there. It normally only goes over twice, but we done a 3rd time. That's very good. Oh, that was brilliant, guys. Had the best day ever at the Edinburgh Carnival 2024. That was wicked.